In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts on Planoly. Let's start right on the Planoly dashboard. Click Add Media, then upload the photo, video, or reel you want to schedule. Give the file a moment to process so you can see a clear thumbnail. If you're uploading multiple pieces, it's fine to add them one by one. For best results, use high-quality visuals and the correct aspect ratio for the platform you're posting to, so everything looks sharp when it goes live. Once your content appears in your library, click on the uploaded item to open the post editor. This brings up the editing panel, where you'll preview the post and set all the details before it gets scheduled. Think of this as your command center for captions, tags, and timing. Now add your caption. Write something concise and on brand, and include your key message or call to action. Add relevant hashtags to improve discoverability, and tag any accounts or products you want associated with the post. If you use the same groups of hashtags often, save them as sets so you can drop them in quickly next time and keep your workflow efficient. When your caption looks good, click Schedule. Choose the date you want the post to go live, then set the exact time. A quick tip here, consider when your audience is typically most active. Aligning your post time with audience behavior can improve reach and engagement. Also, confirm your time zone so the schedule reflects your local posting plan. You can optionally turn on auto post, toggle auto post on if you'd like Planoly to publish the post automatically at your chosen time. If you prefer to post manually, leave it off, and Planoly will send you a reminder when it's time. Note that auto posting requires your Instagram to be set as a business account. If you're using reminders, make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss the alert. With everything set, click Save or Schedule Post. Your content is now locked in with the caption and timing you've just configured. You'll see it appear in your content calendar, which gives you a visual snapshot of what's coming up. Head over to the calendar view to review your schedule. Confirm that each post is on the correct day and time, and drag a post to a different slot if you need to make adjustments. This is a quick way to rebalance your content without starting over, and your changes will update automatically. That's it. You've uploaded, edited, scheduled, and reviewed your post in Planoly. Repeat these steps to build out your content plan, and you'll stay consistent with less stress.